Hey, this is a tip from the Front Management. You know, you hear a lot about balance and keeping things balanced in life, uh, going after dreams and keeping it all together. The same thing is true in business. If you're at work, sometimes things get a little hectic, and sometimes things don't always go real well. And that's just part of business, part of management, part of having a team. Well, if that occurs, just take a few minutes. There is no reason to have anger. There is no reason to get all excited. There is no reason to, oh, I suppose they say lose it sometimes. Just take a minute. And if your facility or the place that you work has like a little bit of nature, and even if it doesn't, just take a 30-second, 3-minute, or whatever walk. And clear your head, and then come back and get it done. Do the same for your team, too. Sometimes they need a minute or two just to relax, just to center. Because when you're centered at work, it's actually very enjoyable. Until next time, have a great day.